Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm coming on to show you what foods I go to the grocery store to get to do my pre-detox menu. So there's only like a few of the things that I got, but I usually do like the what I call a pre-detox menu, because I kind of switch over to things that I have no business eating. So these are a few of the foods that I get, but I end up getting more as the time goes on. So usually I'll do this like a week or two before I go ahead and do my detox. I guess we'll get started. One of the things that I do get are bean sprouts. I get these to put into my stir fries. I love bean sprouts. I've been eating them like forever. So yeah, I really love them. This is the Earthbound Organic Sweet Mix. So along with changing up my diet and getting rid of all the processed foods, I make sure that I really get organic things. I try to get them anyway, but sometimes either they don't have them in the store or they're just not available. So this is something that I'm also going to put in my stir fry, and this is broccoli slaw. And then I got the organic Wild Wonder tomatoes. And I put those in salads, or usually if I'm doing a wrap. And then I got some cut strawberries. So these strawberries are gonna go in a fruit bowl that I'll have in the morning. So it'll be the strawberries, bananas, and then I got some Honeycrisp apples. So I just cut, I don't use the whole banana, and I don't use a whole apple. I just cut them in half or in thirds, depending, because I don't necessarily want all the sugar as far as the fruit is concerned. And I got 2 zucchini and then 2 of the yellow squash. So I'm going to cut these up, and I'll either roast them or put them in the pan and just kind of saute them with onions. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with these. If I do go ahead and do the roasted, then I'll roast potatoes. These little mini potatoes. I like these. I don't think they're called mini potatoes, but they're little duo, just little potatoes. And then I put these also in my stir fry. So I'll roast them and then I'll put them in my stir fry. To go with my stir fry, I have the red cabbage and the green cabbage. So I'll just finally cut that, and then I'll put it in my stir fry and I'll saute them. I got organic cucumber to go in my salad. Did I say 2 avocados? So I'll do the avocados also. I'll slice them on the side, or I put them in my salad also. It just really depends. I really like to use avocados, and then I'll slice tomatoes and avocados. And like if I'm having something for lunch or dinner, then I'll put these on the side. So it doesn't necessarily have to be like guacamole or anything like that. It just really depends. And then the last things that I got were 2 sweet potatoes. So I'll probably go ahead and roast these, either roast them or bake them, either or. So this is just the beginning of the foods that I went and got today to start my pre kind of detox menu. Trying to get things out of my system before I actually go ahead and do the actual detox. I like to kind of just ease my way into everything. I've gotten rid of all the processed foods already. That's something that I also do before I do my detox. And I don't like to kind of go cold turkey. Like I said, I just kind of ease my way into it. And this time around, I don't think I'll be going back. There was a reason, and I discussed it in my last video as to why my diet started to change, and it was becoming more processed things as opposed to plant-based like I like to have it. So I'm just kind of starting over, and I just want to kind of come on and share the things that I went and got today. And then as I get more things, then I'll share more with you guys. So subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday and Friday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below if you guys are going to plan to do any type of detoxing anytime soon. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye guys.